Look at the view, guys. Look, it's low tide today, and it's a little bit cloudy though, but it's not very cold. Hi, Nige, come here. Say hi to my subscribers. Hi. Shout out to all of them. Say shout out. Shout out. Shout out sa classmates mo sa Philippines. Shout out, Chad. Shout out daw sa classmate ni Nigel dyan sa Las Piñas. Yan. Oh, ito yung artista ko, guys. Oh, that's my entertainer. Best, mag-hi ka.
Hi! Nakita ba sa harap ba yan?
Oh, shout out mo lahat.
Shout out dyan sa mga Bisaya. So, Bisaya tulad namin. Welcome to England and good morning Philippines. Good morning ba ngayon sa Philippines?
No, it's evening in Philippines now.
Good evening Philippines.
Hello, guys. We are going to the Abbey here. There, look. The Abbey is very old. I think that's not how many 100 years. So this is Whitby, guys. It's smaller than Scarborough. Scarborough Beach is a bit bigger, but it's nice also here if you want to visit here, especially summertime. It's about maybe 3 or 4 hours from London or farther. So this is Whitby, guys. From Scarborough, it's about 30-40 minutes drive. It depends the traffic. Look. That's Whitby. Whitby Harbor, guys. Look. Good morning, world. Diyan ka?
Yes.
Treasure Island, oh. There, you can play there, Nige.
Oh, uy, sila.
Ay, huwag ka mag-alala, mayroon doon sa sa fun fair. Mayroon yung that's the Abbey there, guys. Huh?
DR.
There is this guy, he's a vlogger. All he does is just doing a walking tour every beach. Scarborough, he got lots of subscribers. Yeah, but like this, putting walking tour, and then he will talk about the history of Whitby, you know what I mean? He's got loads, like he even have a Facebook page. What's his name? He's English. Ice cream. Oh, look at that dog. Doggy. That's the bridge there, guy. Look, that bridge is why is it called that bridge? Pai, that it will open?
It's like a stick.
Yeah, but
Oh, see? Which way are we going? Best! Guys, now we are going to climb these steps. Look, it's like 100 steps. Going to Whitby Abbey. Oh my God, para akong nahihilo. Oh my goodness. Guys, we are here at Whitby Abbey. Look, we are going up. And then
Going up and we're going down. It's called up and down.